Okay, so this is going to be just a little quick video on AI curves to polygons in Maya. We're going to be creating this backboard right here. Not going to worry about any of this. Not going to worry about texturing it either. This is just going to be simply taking the curves that we create in Adobe Illustrator and quickly turning them into a polygon within Maya. So in Illustrator, I'm going to assume that you already know how to do a image trace, all that good stuff. Once you have your image traced, you're going to right click and you're going to expand that object. Once we have our object expanded, I forget where that's at in here. Let's see, object, yeah, right here, object expand. And I want to expand it. That's going to give you a nice little group here. Basically, I've found if you go ahead and delete the groups that you do not want, if you turn them off right here, it's not going to give you the right look. So, oops, excuse me. Go ahead and delete everything that you don't need, since we just need this backboard here. We're going to delete all those, leave it on, come up here to the top and File, Save As. You can see I've got two there. We're just going to call it Backboard AI. Make sure you leave it as an Adobe Illustrator file. Save it. In my case, it already exists. I have found under here, under version, if you go all the way back to Illustrator 8, you're not going to get any problems when importing it into Maya. Just go ahead and click OK. And yeah, saving the document older format, just go ahead and say OK. We know that we're saving it in an older format. So now we're going to pop into Maya, and underneath our Create tab up at the top, we're going to go to Adobe Illustrator Object. Now you can open up the options box here. Gives you a little bit more things to kind of tweak, but we really don't need to worry about anything other than the fact that it is a bevel here. I think that is by default. Let's see. Yeah, it's by default. So you can just go ahead and click Create. It's going to ask you to locate your AI file, so we're going to click the one that we just made, open it, and if you can see, now it instantly bevels and creates the object that we need. Obviously, you know, what do we have here? We need to center pivot this guy, move him up, scale him to the right size, and other than that, I did nothing else to it other than adding the let's see, let's get this guy out of the way. And you can see it's exactly the same. Just simple as that, quick and easy, no special little things you need to do. Obviously you can come in here and adjust the bevel and things like that. You may not need as many curves as this, so you can just go in, edit your edges, all that good stuff. But yeah, simple as that.